Welcome back to Inside Innovation. In this segment, we will identify and understand the discontinuous changes happening in the world around us. Discontinuities represent fundamental changes in lifestyles, demographics, technology, and geopolitics, to name just a few of the areas where we see seismic change around us. Let's look at an example. You'll recognize this major change or discontinuity that has been playing out in the food industry. As a result of a broad set of trends, some driven by consumer awareness and healthy lifestyles, some driven by new technologies, packaging systems, and distribution, the food industry has created a new competitive space by creating a new model that has moved from convenience and value to a model of nutrition and authenticity. And who first rode this wave? Companies like Whole Foods, Odwalla, Fresh Express, and the growing number of large organic food producers. Traditional food industry leaders were late to recognize this discontinuity, but once they did, they reoriented their businesses and entered this new space of healthy nutrition. Our job is to identify and anticipate the discontinuous changes before they hit us. Discontinuities have the power to reshape the industry landscape because they are bigger than single trends or signals in the market. This confluence of trends and the interactions between them are what give discontinuities their catalytic power to reshape markets. Identifying discontinuities starts with widening your horizons and new learning. If that process makes you feel uncomfortable, that's good. The idea is to take you out of your comfort zone. Because powerful discontinuities are usually made up of unrelated trends, you'll need to seek the outliers and emerging weak signals in the market. Explore outside your industry and your area of expertise. Go beyond the things you look at on a regular basis. Look at the fringes, think broadly, and don't make any premature judgments about your findings. Remember, divergent thinking is necessary here, or you will end up with some very mediocre, incremental ideas. Now that you have a broader view and a deeper understanding of the trends occurring across the world, it's time to do the creative work of recognizing the bigger picture, recognizing the bigger patterns that portend radical shifts in the world. Recognizing patterns in a sea of seemingly unrelated trends is fundamentally a creative act. Fortunately, our brains are well equipped at the task of pattern recognition. Allow yourself the time and creative freedom to see a discontinuity emerging. Think about it as a shift from some state to some state. The final job is to build the underlying logic of the discontinuity and understand the implications for your business. Take a look at this discontinuity, moving from passive involvement in your own healthcare to an active role in preventative care and personal health. You can see the confluence of trends in health and wellness has led to a major shift in how people have taken control over their well-being. The implications for the healthcare industry, doctors, restaurants, grocery, food service, schools, and many others are huge. It's now up to you to uncover and harness the discontinuities happening all around us, to use them to change the competitive landscape in your industry before your competitors do.